Want to protect your online privacy but don't know a thing about VPN configuration? TunnelBear is about as beginner-friendly as it gets.
Welcome to Best Reviews.
TunnelBear is one of the most approachable VPNs out there. It's designed to be easy to use and still secure enough for everyday browsing, streaming, and maintaining online anonymity. In this video, we'll show you how TunnelBear works, what it's great at, where it could improve, and whether it's the right fit for your needs. We'll also cover pricing, features, and what to expect from their support. And if you want more details or current deals, check out our full written review at bestreviews.net. The first thing that caught our attention about TunnelBear was its visual design. When you launch the app, you're greeted by a world map with tunnels popping up in countries where servers are available. While this doesn't necessarily impact how well the app works, it does make the whole VPN experience more approachable. This simplicity is further reinforced by the layout being consistent across platforms. As expected from user-friendly software, there's a trade-off between usability and customization. Even so, TunnelBear offers what you need to surf the web safely. You can toggle the kill switch called Vigilant Pair, switch between protocols like WireGuard, OpenVPN, and IKEv2, and even enable TCP override to improve connection reliability on unstable networks. What's also great is that split tunneling called SplitBear is available on all platforms, including macOS, which isn't always the case with VPNs. TunnelBear focuses on providing a private and secure browsing experience without overwhelming users with settings. The VPN network covers more than 45 countries. It's not the widest out there, but it's sufficient for decent global coverage. We like that there are options in less common locations, such as Nigeria and Moldova, though there aren't dedicated servers for streaming or P2P. In our speed tests, TunnelBear delivered stable performance. With a baseline of 649 megabits per second for downloads and 621 megabits per second for uploads, we observed an average drop of approximately 32% for downloads and a higher drop for uploads. While downloads remain fast enough for smooth browsing, media streaming, and video calls, the upload speeds took a noticeable hit, making it less ideal for tasks such as cloud backups, large file uploads, or live streaming. But we have to say that the consistency across different server locations was impressive. We didn't experience any major fluctuations, which tell us that TunnelBear prioritizes connection stability over raw speed, the perfect trade-off for casual users who value reliability over performance. From a privacy standpoint, TunnelBear is refreshingly transparent. It has one of the easiest to read privacy policies we've seen, with clear information on what's collected. Sensitive data like IP addresses or DNS logs, not collected. As for device support, TunnelBear works on Windows, macOS, iOS and Android, but not on routers, game consoles or smart TVs. If you prefer not to install anything, you can use browser extensions for Chrome, Firefox or Edge, which have the same look and feel as the full app. In short, TunnelBear prioritizes simplicity and connection stability. TunnelBear has a free version that includes 2 GB of monthly bandwidth. This isn't much, but it's enough to test it out or use it for basic browsing. The unlimited plan starts at just $3.33 per month if you go with the triennial billing cycle, which is pretty affordable. It supports unlimited data and device connections and includes all of the features we covered. There's also a Teams plan for businesses at $5.75 per user per month. It adds centralized billing and admin tools and comes with a 7-day free trial, which is nice considering TunnelBear doesn't offer refunds on any of its plans. You can pay with a credit card, Bitcoin, or even through mobile app stores like Google Play and the App Store. Support is an area where TunnelBear could improve. The company offers a detailed FAQ that covers most basics, and it's well written. But if you need direct help, your only option is submitting a ticket, which you need to have an account to do so. Still, when we tested it, we got a friendly and helpful response the next day, which is pretty reasonable. TunnelBear is also active on social media, but the profiles aren't catered to providing support. TunnelBear does a great job at making the VPN world approachable. Its clean, user-friendly design, stable connections, split tunneling across all apps, and clear privacy policy make it ideal for everyday use. We also appreciated the inclusion of a free plan. While it's fairly standard in the VPN space, it still makes it easy to try the service without committing. Where TunnelBear falls short is in advanced functionality. It doesn't provide dedicated servers for P2P or streaming, and it doesn't support routers. Upload speeds were also slower than average in our testing. Considering all this, TunnelBear is best for privacy-focused beginners and casual users who want a secure and simple VPN for browsing, video calls, and general use without getting bogged down in settings. The free plan is a good starting point, and long-term pricing is competitive if you choose to upgrade. You can find our full review pricing breakdown on latest offers at bestreviews.net. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!